All right, the next part of the tutorial to create this sphere is to start to work and develop the highlight. So what we're going to do is we currently have inside of the color layer, the outline layer is locked and the background is locked. Again, clicking on the little icon, make sure that it's locked. The color layer is the only one that's not locked, and we have one shape that's filled with blue that we just created here. We're going to go to Edit, Copy, and then we're going to go to Edit, Paste in Front. It creates another copy. We're going to hold down both the Alt and the Shift key on the keyboard and drag inward to create a smaller circle, something like this. And we're going to switch and make the fill none, and we're going to make the stroke white. And we're going to make the thickness of the stroke about 30 pixels. So we'll increase the stroke thickness to about 30 pixels. Now we're going to select the Direct Selection tool, this tool that allows us to edit points. Click there first, and then on this white circle, we're going to click right here and press backspace on the keyboard. And we're going to click right here and press backspace on the keyboard. We're also going to go over to where it says Stroke in the Appearance panel. Click and make sure we have rounded caps and rounded corners. The next part is to go to use what's called the Width tool. The Width tool, which is right over here, allows you to change the shape of different parts of this line segment that we've made. So we're going to click on the tool to select it. We're going to come over, click on the Width tool, and then right in the center of our image, we're going to click on it and drag it out to make it a little bit fatter. And then right over here on these points, we're going to drag in a touch to make it a little skinnier at both ends and a little bit fatter in the middle. So we've used the Width tool to create the thickness of this shape and make it a little thicker right in the center. Again, the Width tool allows you to make adjustments to different points in the actual part of the line that we've created. And then to finish off, to work with this, we're going to go to Object. We're going to go down to where it says Path, and we're going to go over to Outline Stroke. This is going to create the stroke and make it an actual outlined shape. And then finally, what we're going to do is we're going to go up to where it says Opacity. You can find it here, and you can also go over here, and we're going to reduce the opacity of this down to about 35%. So that's in the Appearance panel where it says Opacity. We're going to set the opacity to 35%. Again, if you have your options bar out, you can see it up there as well. And now we've created a highlight for our sphere from the light source coming in this direction. In the next video, we'll take a look at creating the shadows on the sphere.